how to change the Instagram account link to Facebook. In order to do that, click on these three lines right here and then click on this Meta account center right there until it opens. So on some cases, it will take some seconds for this particular Meta account center to actually open. But once it does so, you should be able to see in here this profiles. Head over and click on this profiles right here. And as you can see, I have in here to Instagram and also to Facebook. So that means that each one of them are connected to each other. If you want to change your Instagram account link to Facebook, you can head over and click on this add accounts right here. And then from in there, just continue and add those accounts together. So this means that you just need to register your Facebook and your Instagram to the same email address and same credentials in order to successfully do this. So on some cases you want to remove one, like for example for this one, you can head over and click on that, click on this right here, and you just need to unsync the profile info in order to remove that. So that's how you change the Instagram account linked to Facebook.